Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good music on a piano. We'll start with the absolute essentials. Establishing correct posture is crucial for comfort and technique. Understanding fundamental music theory, like scales and chords, provides the building blocks for any piece. And remember, consistent practice of finger exercises builds the dexterity you need. These foundational steps are key to unlocking your musical potential and playing beautifully. Once you have the basics down, it's time to refine your technique and add expression. Regular sight reading practice will significantly expand your repertoire and confidence. Don't just play the notes, focus on dynamics like soft and loud, and articulation such as staccato or legato to bring the music to life. And for unwavering rhythm, the metronome is your best friend. These elements transform notes into truly good music. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on playing piano helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation: just as you're learning to master the piano, mastering your finances is equally important. Check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Effective practice is about quality, not just quantity. When tackling challenging pieces, break them into smaller, manageable sections. This makes learning less daunting and more efficient. Recording yourself playing can be incredibly insightful. It helps you hear your performance from a new perspective and pinpoint areas for improvement. Also, don't limit yourself. Exploring different musical genres will enrich your playing and keep your passion alive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.